Lights, camera, action! Are you filming that?
It's going. It's a rolling.
I didn't know. I mean, he's
Again.
Okay, looks like we're gonna do a sign here for a gentleman here and a friend of mine here in Jamestown, Tennessee. Ain't that right, Carl?
That's my nephew.
Yeah. Yeah, Spanky. Spanky.
Thank you, Rich.
Yes, sir. He's a good guy. Yeah, now this hump makes it a little bit kind of rough, but you know, whatever.
Look to me like you're doing good with it.
Yes, sir.
You don't mind humps.
Guess what, folks? We're going to do a Chevrolet on a Ford door. Now, how about that?
You'll never know the difference. It almost looked like a Chevrolet door.
Yeah. Yeah,
Don't tell Spanky.
no, I won't. Yeah. Carl, you care if I use some more imitation gold today?
I think that's all you got, imitation gold.
Yeah.
Everything we paint, you got imitation gold on.
Yeah.
That's all right. It looks good.
Yeah. Seems like most of the time you got a dark color, imitation gold goes good.
Yeah, it pops on it, don't it?
Yeah.
And we got a lot of dark colors sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, if everybody had one in all 50 states, then nobody only know they only just painted this one time
There you go.
instead of quite often.
Got to paint with some color.
Yeah.
But it's hard to paint. Same color red on red, ain't it?
Oh yeah, can't do that. Yeah, today's March the what? The 19th?
Is it 18th or 19th? I forget.
Yeah, today's the 19th. 19th.
Yep, it's 19th.
Yeah, we just say that, you know, just for our records. Look at there.
Oh, you laying that on fine.
Oh yeah.
You're just about done with that in their part.
Yep. Yes, sir. Folks, I appreciate y'all watching again. And we try to make it as quick as possible for you. So, yeah.
Try to make it look as good as possible, too.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's right. Yeah, you take time enough to watch, and we can do our best for you. Yeah, boy. Got a bunch of humps in it.
Oh,
Kind of getting. See here. That metal paint's pretty good.
The paint, when it's faded out a little bit, it paints better, don't it?
Yeah, it does. You know, like it's real slick.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Wants to roll, slide with you.
Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Here you don't have to fight with the brush. You just paint and go. Giddy up and go, my friend. Giddy up and go.
Ain't that right, Mike?
Yeah,
Where's Mike at?
yeah. Yeah, last week we painted a in 1981 Peterbilt.
Yeah. Mike took my place, didn't he? Here you go.
Okay, I want to also say hello to my sister Pam. She's in, she's kind of rough right now, taking it, sick in sickness. And I want to say hello to my sister Pam, and I'm going to dedicate this episode, number 44, to my sister Pam.
Lights, camera, action.
Yeah,
Ain't that right, Ricky?
yeah. I guess if we go block letters down here.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
It looks good on that door color.
Yeah, baby. Maybe Spanky won't notice it if it's a four-door.
Hey, it won't make no difference. We'll be able to tell it probably. If it wasn't for them ridges in it, like where you had the paint down there,
Yeah,
it looked just like a Chevy door.
yeah. Okay.
Spanky's son's his name, Hunter and Chase.
Yeah, they're twins.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're giants, ain't
They
they?
turned out to be good boys.
Yeah,
Good carpenters too.
yeah.
Got them right now.
Yeah.
Nobody wants them.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not everybody, most people like
Yeah.
them.
Oh yeah.
I've had a few of them myself.
Yeah. Now I'm doing this so I can do the rest of my videos. I'm just leaving just a tiny bit of a
Space.
space, the outline, where you can come back and
Outline it, something.
outline it again.
And the
Yeah.
chrome stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Door handles. Don't forget the door handles.
Uh-oh.
It'll look good. I can see it now. I got a good imagination.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Well, you got to have imagination. You couldn't paint, could you?
I doubt it. But I could try though, couldn't I?
Well, you could try, but you got to have a little imagination.
Yeah.
A little common sense too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
If we didn't have no common sense, we got a bed, could we?
I doubt it. Yeah.
It'll look good when you get Yeah, let's see it now.
Well, it wouldn't catch them because there wasn't any serial number on this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Broke.
Yeah. If you got the serial numbers, though, you can take.
Yeah, if they had been connected, they would have taken it. It's only a call.
Yeah. But he had $10 we found up at the school. How much did he get?
This is way fun.
Yeah, it's popping, Ricky. That looks good.
Thank you.
Cool.
Kind of make the first of the letters a bit bigger than the rest of them.
Yeah.
Stir the paint up just a little bit.
You dig on him?
No, it wasn't mixed real good.
Oh.
Some of the blacks showing through the gray.
I'll be that some more, brother. Coach off one more.
Okay. Now we can go with the cursive writing here.
Right. That'll look good.
Yeah. Now, Carl, you watch, make sure I don't mess up and misspell something.
Well, I'm trying, but I can't spell too good. I have to look it up on my phone.
Oh, yeah?
It looks good from here. Oh, that looks good, Ricky.
Let's see here.
I'll make that brush talk, can't you?
Yeah.
It's saying Dreamy Lane. mustache falling out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what goes, the brush, when it wears out and the hair starts falling out, then it's time to get another one. Time to get another one. See, I started out with capital, but real quick lettering, and now I ended up with cursive writing, capital letters and small lettering. Okay, folks, the 127 yard sale will be coming around, and it generally starts in the last week in July, but it's supposed to be the first week in August. But so y'all can come and visit and say hello if you want to. We'll be here at the 1124 Roanoke Road, Jamestown, Tennessee, on the old U.S. Highway 127. So I'll be glad to see y'all. You're welcome to come and visit with us. Me and Carl and Junkman.
We'll be here at old William one.
Yeah, yes, you're right. Yes, sir.
This is something a little different, ain't it?
Yeah,
Putting a
Yeah.
Chevy truck on the door.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It's different. Give the good folks that watching it, kind of change out just a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah. Make it look just a little bit nicer. On this and probably the tar would probably be kind of a gray, dark gray for the tar.
Yeah.
Just leave that
It'll
alone.
have to pop out on it.
Yeah. Just leave that there like it is. And here you want to put some shadow real quick.
Right.
How about that?
That little black top down there, huh?
Yeah. Man, that truck will be so mean that the spare tire even squall.
Yeah, it'll burn the rubber off the spare tire on it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It'd be, spare tire even make some squalling noise. It'd be so powerful. Get a big old, 396 Chevrolet engine in it? Or you like
454.
Or you like a 454 the best, or 396?
They're both pretty good. I've had both of them.
Yeah.
They both run good.
Oh yeah. And that shadow kind of popped it a little bit.
Yeah.
Now what we do, like I said, I'm gonna do the tar. It's kind of a grayish color. Yeah. Let's see here. Now I know you folks at home, that use the airbrush can really make it pop, but we're kind of hurrying, with a paintbrush. All right. Okay. We're going to give it more like a creamsicle type look.
Yeah. It looks like it's got pearl in it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. instead of shadowing it, we just kind of highlighting the words a little bit.
That's a good idea. I like it.
Let's say hello to Jerry again.
Keep watching, Jerry.
Yeah. Okay.
What's that big hole in the door?
Yeah, there's
Bullet hole?
yeah, there's a big hole there. In the, okay, Carl, now this is, today we've done a little bit different, and looks like,
I like it. It looks like it's blowing the paint off them letters, don't it?
yeah, you said something about it look better when the chalk is off, and I believe you'd be right about that.
Oh, yeah, it'll look lovely.
And we'll do that. Now we're also going to finish this truck in a minute, folks.
Yeah, it's got a lot more detail.
Yeah. So okay, just keep on watching.
American flag.
Oh yeah, that's
Is that
nice.
pretty?
Yeah. Let's see here.
The chalk makes it look weird, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Okay, I'm going to try and make some chrome out of this. First I just use white. Starting out. Use white. Alright. White, black, and gray. It's the way you put it.
Well, the back bumper a little bit on the corner there.
Yeah. Start out with white. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's got this. Yeah, probably does.
Yeah, it's supposed to have. There's several beads around there is what it was.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Silver bead.
You gotta put that in there and I'll make it pop.
Yeah.
Go.
Now we gotta do the door. The door
Door
handle. Is it right in here?
Yep.
Right in here, ain't
You see, there's supposed to have another groove come down through
it?
here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All the way around it.
Yep.
After.
Yep.
Let me show it to you so you'll see it. It's starting to look like it now.
Yeah.
Looks a lot like it.
Okay, hello again, folks. Well, looks like we got another job done today, and today we done a kind of for a special friend of mine, and plus he's Carl's nephew.
Yeah.
Spanky.
Spanky. How you like it, Spanky?
Yeah,
It looks good, don't it?
yep. Now you can pretend this is a shield blade door if you want to. That's about the only thing we had to paint on today, and that's what we come up with, you know. And I thought you might like it, and we kind of it did take maybe about 2 hours to do it. You know, they ain't too bad for all that.
Bad for all that.
But anyway, we want to say hello to Don, Betty, and Myra also, and all our good friends. You know, Jerry Hansen, Florida, also, and okay, Carl, you got
All
any?
my friends up in Indiana, they're probably watching us.
Yeah, yep, and who knows what we're gonna do next week? But we're gonna try to have another one next week. It might be on a fender, it might be on a piece of wood, but
We got a fender we need to paint on.
Yeah, oh yeah, that is right. Yeah, we can do one on like a 46 Ford fender next
Yeah,
week. Yeah,
that'd be a good one.
Okay, thanks again, folks. Lights, camera, action.